Good day everybody, welcome back to the studio. I am really sorry I've lost part of this video. It's only because I was clearing the data and yeah, I've deleted accidentally some of the videos, so I'm going to talk extra fast for that for you. So I'm having another go at these molds because I didn't think that the last ones turned out too great. So what I did was the first layer I just applied some lapis lazuli mixed with resin and some of my poly flakes, and then let that set. And then I tried to color the dandelion seeds with, you know, with the Posca pen, but that didn't work, so I ended up just using my powder pigment, which was the white satin. And then I used an acrylic pen to color in the tree, and you can see there's some separation there. So what I did was, to fix that, I just used some powder pigment. This is the sage, the Le'Rez sage, golden sage, and it worked out perfectly. So I colored them all in, and then next stage coming up really soon. Okay, using a little bit of silver night just to color in the symbol, and then I've got some resin with a little bit of glitter in there and a tiny little bit of lapis lazuli just for a little tint, and then flooded the whole area, and that is it for that. That's all I did, and I think they turned out really well at the end of the day. But you know, there's so many combinations, so many things that you can actually do with these. A little bit of heat just to get rid of the bubbles, a little bit of clear to open the area up a little bit, and that is it. It's really simple. Then I decided to go in with some pearl white, and because the resin was quite cold, it wouldn't go around in the stream as I wanted it to, so I ended up having these little blobs. But anyway, you work with what you've got, right? Use the stirring stick and just spread it around a little bit, and then hope for the best, really. Good morning, it's the next day. I already demolded them because, as you know, it's too boring to watch people demold. So anyway, let's go. Let's get straight into it. You can even see it's so transparent. Woo! Ta-da! Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta! I like it. I like that it's transparent. So there you go. That's another way to do it. So cute. And these flakes, you guys, beautiful, holographic and iridescent. Anyway, next one. Da-da-da. See how that's sort of all gathered in the center? Mica does that. Oh, I need to do that. Okay, maybe that way is better. What do you reckon? It still looks, the dandelion I think would probably look better without all the flakes, because you can't really see the dandelion that good. So I might have to do like either a really dark background and a really light the design actually, or the other way around. But anyway, that's still pretty. And here we go, this guy, you can even have him either way. I thought I'd put a little blob there just so I can have like a little moon, which you can't really see on the other side. However, wow, I like this one. I like it a lot. I'm gonna have to take a photo of him behind the light. There's no sunshine outside, so I might have to just get a torch or something like that. That is so cool.